जहां पर
एक मिनट वित्तमंत्री कुछ बोलिए।
मैम
Sir, yes.
हाँ, एक मिनट बोल
You
लेना।
said something very profound. You said something very profound. You said something very, very profound. I'd like to add to it. Sir, with due respects, it was music to my ears to hear a leading member of the opposition party say that they सम्मान करते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी को. And quickly to add, when Treasury talks about previous prime ministers, they speak not in सम्मान जनक language. How many times has the Prime Minister been abused in this House by them? And how many times he was not even allowed to speak in the House? They stood in the well and shouted. Will the Honorable Member Tarun Gogoi, his son, Gaurav Gogoi, apologize for the number of times they've called abusive names to the PM? Today he's ironing out all that. He's whitewashing all that. That's not allowed. He should have the grace. He should have the grace to admit that they have abused the Prime Minister. It was wrong and they shall not do it again.
Through you, Honorable Speaker, through you, I request the Finance Minister to read the speech of the Prime Minister during the last session. His entire speech was abusing former Prime Ministers. I have written a letter to you putting on record a number of times he has abused the chair of the former Prime Ministers. So please before pointing fingers, अपने घर में खुद जाके.
If it is this very clearly that I have to read the speech,
Honorable Finance, I do not expect you. What is this? Honorable, what is this going on? You should not have the patience to listen. Have the patience to listen. You should have the patience to listen. You read through the speech.
And look at the way in which all of them are shouting. Look at the way in which all of them are shouting.
Now,
Look at the way in which all of them are shouting.
have the patience
Why?
to listen.
What Gogoi said is wrong? Gogoi said is wrong? Is that what they're saying? Is that what they're saying? If Gogoi had the large-heartedness to say that we should not abuse anybody, what's going on? So that shows the attitude of the Congress party.
गौरव जी, आप बजट पे भी तो कुछ बोले हैं।
आप मैं आगे बढ़ूं सर?
आप तो विषय पर
मैं
नहीं बोल रहे हैं।
आगे बढ़ना चाहता हूं। यही आपका स्ट्रेटेजी है। यही स्ट्रेटेजी है आपका, सुनने की ताकत नहीं है। दोबारा ये देखिए, यही है, यही स्ट्रेटेजी है, यही स्ट्रेटेजी, ये है, ये